managed to grow an initial $1,000 into more than 6 figures by trading meme coins. This guide is meant for complete beginners who want to understand how meme coins work, how to buy and trade them, and what risks are involved. Along the way, I'll also point out common mistakes and hidden pitfalls that most newcomers aren't aware of. Please keep in mind that what follows is only my personal perspective, not financial advice. Always do your own research and only risk money you can afford to lose. What are meme coins? Meme coins are cryptocurrency tokens with little to no inherent value, usually built around a joke, meme, or character. People speculate on them mostly for fun, and in many cases it is closer to gambling than investing. When you buy into a meme coin, you're essentially betting on whether the community will embrace it. If the project gains traction, you might see life-changing gains, but if it doesn't, you could lose your entire investment overnight. Smaller, newly launched coins, such as those on platforms like Pump.fun, are the riskiest but also carry the largest potential upside. On the other hand, established meme coins like Dogecoin are less likely to crash completely, though their growth potential is limited since they already have multi-billion-dollar valuations. How to buy meme coins? There are different methods for purchasing meme coins depending on the type you want. If you're looking for well-known coins, centralized exchanges such as Coinbase, Binance, or OKX are the easiest places to start. These platforms usually only support the most popular meme coins. For mid-tier coins, trading on-chain using decentralized applications is common. Right now, Solana, Ethereum, and Base host the most active meme coin markets, although you can find them on almost every blockchain. Think of blockchains as countries with their own economies and meme coins as their fast food industry. Some, like Solana, have thriving communities that love to trade these tokens. On centralized exchanges, you first need to hold funds such as the stablecoin USTD. Then go to the trading section, search for the cryptocurrency by its ticker symbol, and use the buy/sell menu to easily purchase or sell it. Trading on Solana and Base. To trade on Solana, for example, you would purchase SOL on an exchange, transfer it to a wallet like Phantom, and then swap it for the meme coin of your choice using a decentralized exchange aggregator such as Jupiter or the built-in swap function. On Base, the process is very similar. Buy ETH, send it to your wallet, and then trade it for a meme coin using Uniswap or the built-in swap function in your wallet. If you've never set up a wallet before, it may feel unfamiliar at first, but the process itself is straightforward once you get used to it. To buy tokens quickly on the Solana chain, you can also use Solana trading bots on Telegram, such as the Sol bot. Just like setting up a Phantom wallet, you create an account there and can receive Solana. When you want to buy a meme coin, simply paste the contract address and choose how much you'd like to invest. From there, you can track the performance of your position, sell instantly, or set take profit levels. These bots are a huge time saver when speed is essential. The link can be found in the bio. Early stage coins via Launchpads. For the earliest and riskiest opportunities, Launchpads are the main entry point. These platforms allow you to buy meme coins right as they launch. Pump.fun on Solana is the most well-known, while Polygon has Win Markets and other blockchains host their own versions. On Pump.fun, you simply send SOL to your wallet, connect to the platform, and purchase the meme token that you believe could catch on. If the coin gains momentum, the protocol automatically deploys it as a real token, enabling it to be traded on decentralized exchanges and eventually even listed on centralized ones. Which meme coins to choose? Since thousands of meme coins are created every month, choosing the right one is extremely difficult. In reality, the vast majority will fail. Treat them like lottery tickets rather than investments. Still, there are ways to improve your chances. Each blockchain tends to adopt its own mascot meme coin. Ethereum has Doge and Shiba Inu, Solana has Bonk and Whiff, and Avalanche has Coex. If you can identify a chain without a strong mascot or spot an emerging cultural trend within a blockchain's community, you might get in early on the next big winner. Understanding community culture and staying alert for early announcements or viral moments can give you an edge. Timing and luck, however, always play a role. The importance of liquidity. A common misconception is that seeing a large balance in your wallet means you can withdraw that amount. In meme coins, this is often not true. Liquidity determines how much of your holdings you can actually sell. For example, if your wallet shows $1 million worth of tokens, but the liquidity pool only contains $100,000, you won't be able to cash out anywhere near your displayed balance. This is why many viral success stories about traders turning small amounts into millions are misleading. The gains exist on paper, but can't always be realized in cash. While smaller traders investing modest amounts are less affected by this, it's still crucial to understand. Before investing, check the distribution of token holders. If just a few wallets control most of the supply, it's a red flag. Tools like Bubble Map can help detect whether one entity is disguising itself as multiple holders to manipulate the market. The harsh reality of meme coins. Despite all strategies and research, meme coin trading is incredibly risky. Even if you identify a trend correctly, there will often be dozens of competing tokens, making it extremely hard to pick the single winner. Most investors lose money in this space, while a small number get lucky and strike it rich. It's better to see meme coins as lottery tickets, fun to play with if you have spare cash, but never something to rely on for guaranteed returns. Influencers often portray meme coins as a way to level the playing field against traditional venture capital, but in reality, the system is often stacked in favor of insiders who pump and dump tokens for profit. Conclusion: to summarize, meme coins can be exciting and sometimes life-changing, but they are also unpredictable and high risk. You've learned what meme coins are, how to buy them, where to find early opportunities, and what dangers to watch out for. Always remember that the space is closer to gambling than investing. Do your research, only risk what you can afford to lose, and treat it as speculation rather than a reliable investment strategy. If you stay realistic, you might enjoy the ride. And who knows, you could be one of the lucky few who hit the jackpot. Feel free to join my channel, all linked in the bio.